This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's me, the Exotic Traveler. Let's start unboxing of my shampoo. This one I bought for the third time this year and I really like it. It just stops my hair fall. My dry and damaged hair are much better now. Here in Dubai the water is so bad for the hairs, so I really need to buy a sulfate free shampoo. Okay, OGX shampoo with BIOTIN collagen. It's a top pick for the best natural shampoos. Okay, let's see the box. It's from #1 premium hair care brand and from USA, and it's a thick and full biotin and collagen shampoo plus conditioner. I bought a special offer from the Carrefour UAE, and it has so many different: the keratin oil, coconut water, coconut milk, charcoal detox, argan oil of Morocco, biotin and collagen, Brazilian keratin therapy, and the last one is cocoa oil. Okay, there are 8 categories, but I bought this biotin and collagen because my hairs are falling very badly. Okay, use as directly, avoid contact. Okay, these are the warnings for the children and for the eyes. Okay guys, it's a combo pack which I bought from the, let's take out the conditioner and the shampoo. Okay, let's put the box aside. The shampoo is this. One of its highlights of this product is biotin, and the second is collagen. The most important is third, the shampoo does not have sulfate in it, and that's so nice. And this is the main quality of the shampoo, that it's sulfate free. My hair fall is stopped. Alhamdulillah. That was the best shampoo I can have for the hair fall stop. So I bought this one from Carrefour, and this time I bought in special offer. Okay, so it's a third time I purchased this product, and using its conditioner is must. Biotin shampoos are generously very safe and beneficial to your hairs, but shampooing daily is not necessary, and I cannot recommend you to shampoo regularly. It has stopped my hair fall. So my hair feels softer and cleansed after using this. I really recommend this product to you if you have a hair fall. And it also makes my hair so soft and silky. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, The Exotic Traveler. Okay, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.
Like a theme in a song, clever, feeling